Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I want to give you guys an updated house tour on Animal Crossing. So this is my current house. We got the little reef on the front, air conditioner, swing, some flowers, a fence, my telescope, my garden gnome. This is what my girl looks like. She's super cute. And yeah, let's just go on inside. I have a bathroom now, so I have 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. So in the front here, we have this little welcome mat, my bed, rug, little side table, my lamp. We have a fireplace with a little succulent, my vacuum, bookshelf, pen station thingy, my workbench, my stool with my radio, my wardrobe, mirror. On top of there, we have a little jewelry holder, like accessory thing, my little chair, and my water cooler. And then this bedroom is my guest bedroom. Over here we have a little mini fridge on top of a little bench thing. And then we have my wardrobe, my wood stove, my clock, bare bed, couch, my study desk area with a chair. This is my guest bedroom, so pretty simple in here. And then we have my bathroom to the right over here on this side. So let's go inside of here. This is my bathroom. I love it. We have my candle, my little stool, bath, little towel rack up here, my light, random flower thing, my plunger and toilet bowl cleaner stuff, my toilet, sink, shell rug, scale. We have like a little broom set over here, my plant, my air circulator, little fan thing. Oh, and then I have a frame up there. So that's the bathroom. And then last but not least, we have my little girly room, I like to call it. Oops, wrong way. Over here. This is the last bedroom. So in here, we just have my cute little wallpaper, toolbox, globe, electric scooter, my little books and stuff. We have a phone, my vanity mirror, chair, flamingo, radio, magazine, gumball machine. Here's what it looks like. I love this scooter in here. It's so cute. And yeah, this is my little girly room. Got the flamingo, all the extra accessories and whatnot. So yeah, guys. Oh, got the hammock and then the rug underneath. But yeah, everyone, that's my little house. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.